Hello everyone, so I'm Aditya and I made this learners app as my final project. And in this project, what I did, let me run it. So in this project, it first of all welcomes you to your learners app. And over here, you have to attend your Quizmaster or Study Master. There are two things over here. So if you attend Quizmaster, you'll get 5 quizzes on the topic of your choice, and you have to, get the correct answer. And at the end, you will see how many correct answers and incorrect answer you gave. All right. In the Study Master, you first of all get the content to read about, and then from that content you get a quiz, and then you have to attend that quiz. So let's start by Quizmaster first of all, and this is just welcome to Quizmaster. It says give a topic for your quiz, so I'll give it Linux as a topic. Is generating the quiz. So we got a question that what command is used to list file in dictionary in Linux? Well, ls is used. B is the correct option. So you see B is, capitalized. It can be small as well. It doesn't matter. Question 2 is which of the following command is used to change file permission in Linux? It's chmod, isn't it? So let me enter small d. And this time also it's correct. It also gave, answers and the explanation. Question 3 is what is the purpose of grep? It's to search for a string with, A seems to be correct. Again, a correct answer. Now, fourth question is which command is used to create new directory in Linux? It's make directory. That is D, mkdir. And the last question is what does sudo command do in Linux? So, well, it gives you the super user privileges. Super user, do this. So B seems to be the correct answer. And it was correct. And we've got 5 correct answers, 0 incorrect. So this was our quiz master. Now let us try, Study Master. So first of all, let me clear this terminal and let's run it again. Now this time we'll choose Study Master. It says give a topic. Again, I want to learn about Linux first of all. Now, it gave us a content. Like Linux is a very powerful open source operating system and all that. You press enter to see the next section, which is empty. I don't know why. It sometimes is because of, AI glitches. So this time it is empty because AI didn't send anything inside key features. But then the next topic we've got is open source. So Linux is publicly available and all. Then we've got distribution. Yeah. Then we've got command line interfaces. Nice. LSS for list and CD for change directory, CP for copy, and so on. All right. So we've got a content. You can read through it. And then it'll ask you whether you want to, attempt a quiz based on this material. If you say yes, like why? Well, it'll start generating a quiz. Now it has generated your quiz and well, you can attempt your quiz. So the first question is, why is the open source nature of Linux considered beneficial for innovation? I think it encourages the collaboration and allows modification. So A seems to be the correct one. And it was correct. Now the second question, when installing software using package manager like apt, that is, Debian based, mostly used in Ubuntu, if you've seen that. Why is it important to use sudo? To give it sudo privileges, super user privileges. To ensure command has necessary administrative, administrative or sudo, similar thing. And is also correct. Now the next question is, in Linux file permission systems, what does a permission type R stand for? Well, it stands for read. You can read through it. W stands for write, X stands for executable. Nice. Question 4 is which of the following describes the relationship between Linux distributions and user needs? So it is asking about distributions and user needs. So each distribution has unique feature and interfaces to cater to different needs. Correct. Linux has only one distribution. No, not at all. Distributions are do not impact user experience. Not at all. All distributions have same use. Not at all. So A seems to be the correct answer. And it was correct. So we've got this time only 4 questions. Nice. And for our 4, we got 100%. Remark was like outstanding. Time we took is for this session. For this session, like for studying and completing the quiz, the time we took is about 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Nice. So we get a metric in times and in numbers and all that. It's nice. So this was my app, which works, and I'll be sharing the link for you. Now, the second thing that I did is, I also tried running it in my, local system. So we've got main.py. So let's try running it. So now what you were seeing earlier, the ASCII characters, they were not hard coded. They were, dynamically taken from whatever the terminal width should have been. It was dynamically taken from the program. Since it was a simulated terminal, it was not very accurate. But this is like real terminal, and it is getting the real width of this terminal. So now you can see the ASCII is perfectly fitting, isn't it? So there was some ASCII problem. So I thought, why not run this same program in my terminal, the real terminal? Because the CIP provides you with simulated terminal. It's not a real terminal. All right. So now welcome to AI Learners app again. And this time I'm just going to, use Quizmaster to quiz myself. The topic I'll say this time, let's say democracy. Now it's generating our quiz. So we have generated a quiz. Well, it took a lot of time because, we are generating the quiz using our local models, Ulama, and it's, 7 GB model, I guess, Gemma 4 E2B. All right. So this is what we've got as an question for democracy. What is the primary purpose of democracy? Well, it seems to allow majority to govern through elected representative. Yeah, A seems to be the nice one, and it was correct. So see, the ASCII is aligning. Everything is aligning. So it seems nice now. Question 2, which of the following is fundamental principle of democracy? So it seems like the absolute supremacy of executive branch. Nope. Suppression. Nope. Protection of individual rights and freedoms. D seems to be the nice one. And was correct. Question 3 out of 5. What role does free and fair election play in the democratic system? They are merely ceremonial. Nope. They allow ruling party to bypass oversight. No. They are only necessary for foreign approval. Not at all. This ensures that will of the people will be accurately reflected in the governance. Nice. Question 4 is, which term describes the system where power is held by people and exercised through their chosen representative? Well, democracy it is. Question 5 and the last question, which is the potential change to healthy democratic system? Well, it is asking for potential challenges. So the challenges is like polarization, political polarization, where people get divided into two mindsets or something like that. So C seems to be the nice one, and we were correct. We scored 5 out of 5. Nice. So you can try this locally through my project link, like whatever. I'll upload this to GitHub also. And for the descriptive, for the how I created this whole program, the whole experience, well, I think it's a long video. It's going to come up very soon. All right. So I'll see you there.